One habit that takes 10 minutes, costs nothing, and can help your blood sugar more than you think. It is not a pill. It is a short walk after your meal. I am Flavia. I read the studies your doctor has no time to explain. If you are over 40 or you have heard the word prediabetes, the next few minutes really matter. After every meal, your blood sugar goes up. That is normal. The problem is how high and how fast. Big, frequent spikes, year after year, tire out the system that manages your sugar. Why does a walk help? When you walk, your leg muscles need energy, and that energy is the glucose in your blood. The muscles use it directly, without waiting for much insulin. A 2022 study, published in the journal Sports Medicine, showed that even 2 to 5 minutes of light walking after a meal helps control your blood sugar better than sitting down. Not a marathon. After your main meal, instead of sitting down right away, walk for 10 minutes. Around the house, around the yard, to the corner and back. Ideally in the first 30 minutes. One honest thing. The walk helps, but it does not replace treatment if you already have diabetes. If you take medication for your blood sugar, talk to your doctor before you change anything. If this was useful, subscribe. I have no sponsors. On Study of the Week, I bring you one study explained simply. Next time, the truth about Ozempic, what the studies actually say.